Hello and welcome back to the second video of the Keep on Dreaming collection. This video is for the Pocket Pages products of this collection, and I'm gonna show you now what's included in the packs. We have here the cards, and the cards are created with 3x3 cards. This is how they look like. Some with nice quotes on it, word arts, some journal cards so you can write your own text on it, or some filler cards already created only to place and they are done. Then we have the 3x4 cards. Also here some with quotes, word arts. These ones you can create by your own. And then we have some real nice one, like those ripped off tiered notes, and they are transparent, and they will look pretty realistic on your pages. I'm gonna open now one of the here we go. This is one of the templates, and we can add here one of the cards. And we go here the 3x4. We use that one, and we're gonna clip that, move it a little bit, and add it here, for example, on this spot. And if we want to use one of those just right now here, drag and drop and add it here. Just underneath. Make a little bit of a shadow. I can recommend the shadows from the last collection, which was the Christmas collection in 2020, and I'm gonna show you them. These are always Safari doesn't show up the shop just in the right way. Okay, let's scroll through the shop, and where they are. December Spirit, and here are the shadows. They work only in Photoshop CC, not in older versions of Photoshop, and also not in Photoshop Elements, but they are pretty special and they look pretty cool, and you can use them in any of your layouts if you're a Photoshop user with the cloud. Okay, so we have here all those different kind of cards. This one is also one with a transparent, and you can overlay it. It's like an element. And here are some filler cards. Also here you can put on your notes, whatever you want to. So you can pretty nice document your day or your weeks with these cards. Then we have 6x4 cards. You get here 5 different ones, and if you have Pocket Pages, they will come up in the next 2 weeks. Some really nice These are the editorial pages. I need these ones. There are so many folders. So these are the pocket pages that will come up, and they were, of course, pretty cool. Here with kind of cards here. You can add them and drag and drop them, and they are done. Or this one also is pretty nice here. There it will be a clean and artsy version. I'm gonna show you now the artsy version, and then I should go back to the collection itself. Pages, PSDs. And I think this is almost, no, it's not the same, but this is the artsy version, and this is how it looks like. Ooh. We have here the cards, and place them here and clip them. We go back here to the 3x4 cards. Let's open that one. And as you can see, you can use those kind of cards in all those pocket pages, templates pretty nicely, and they really go together like charm. Okay, cards. 3x4, you get 3x3, 3x4 and 6x4 packs. Then we have the second pack of the pocket pages kit. These are the pins, and this is how they look like. You get 30 different ones. Some with a little bit of glimmer and glitter, and then we have some with word arts on it. Place them here and add, of course, a little bit of a shadow, and this is how it looks like. I should more show you the templates for this collection than the new ones. Okay, another one. This is how it can look like if you want to. Close that one. Too many things open. But of course we have here the papers. We want to close that one. And this is the artsy. And make it smaller. And add here one of those pins. Okay, these are the pins. You get 30 different ones here for this collection. And then we have a sticker pack. Two versions here. We have the with a little bit of a curl on the top, and then we have the version which is only plain, no texture on top, nothing, no border, nothing. So these are only the plain elements here. But I like to pick those already styled ones and use them here on my page and add here some details, a little bit of shadow. When you click on the masks and you have this set it up here in Photoshop, here in the top left corner, auto select layer. I only work with this kind of setting because when I click, it always picks the layer I want to work on. With these kind of templates, you have the problem, but that you always, when you click on the mask itself, you always pick the overlay. And this is the overlay. You can see that it's this curl on top. So you click on it, overlay, and then you need to go on a level underneath on the mask, and then you have the right layer where you can add your photo. So we add here the same photo that we had in the other video, and this is how it looks. And you can turn off the overlay setting or turn on, but you also can manage here with different kind of overlays. And I'm gonna talk here right now about the templates, but we are in the video for the pocket pages, so I need to go into that because it changed also for me a little bit something here with the new year and the new building up of the collections in the shop. I already showed that in the other video, but here we have a new one. Let's go back. That you also, if you to see that. So these are the new building up of the collections. We have 4 different kind of packs here now. We have the all-in-one bundles. There are different ones to choose with the templates, and then we have the mega element kit, then we have the pocket pages kit. That is what we just talked about, and then we have the painter's toolbox, and they are all split up, but also combined in different kind of options. It's unbelievable. So you will be able to get that exact kit what you want to have, and buy nothing what you don't want to use. Okay. Yes, this was now the video for the pocket pages kit, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask, come into the Artology group, and we like to help you. Watch all the other videos for this collection, and we're gonna see you sure in the next one. Have a happy time and stay safe. Bye!